Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Study Light, making your study lighter and easier. आज हम करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 4th एसएसटी के लास्ट चैप्टर की बैक एक्सरसाइज और इसमें हम सबसे पहले करेंगे ओरल क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज आर देयर इन इंडिया? एंड द आंसर ऑफ दिस ओरल क्वेश्चन इज इन इंडिया देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. फर्स्ट, large scale industries. Second, small scale industries. And third one is cottage industries. अब हम देखते हैं टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स. फर्स्ट, टॉय मेकिंग comes under dash industry. Options are A, iron and steel, B, textile, or C, cottage. And the correct answer is C, cottage. Second, ships are built in the shipyards of A, Kochi, B, Vishakhapatnam, or C, both A and B. And the correct answer is C, both A and B. Third, India is one of the world's leading producer of A, sugar, B, cotton, or C, both A and B. And the correct answer is B, cotton. Now multiple choice questions, MCQs, take the correct answers. First is, silk mills are located at A, Coimbatore, B, Surat, or C, both A and B. And the correct answer is A, Coimbatore. Second, at Panchkula, dash goods are manufactured. Options are A, leather, B, hosiery, or C, electric. And the correct answer is C, electric. Now match the following. First, iron and steel plant will match with C, Bokaro. Second, cotton textile will match with A, Mumbai. Third, automobile industry will match with D, Pune. And last, sugar mills will match with B, Uttar Pradesh. Now write short answers. Question number 1 is, where are the raw materials changed into the finished product? And the answer is, in industries, the raw materials changed into the finished products. Question number 2, write one major feature of each of the following industries. A, cottage industry, B, small scale industry, and C, large scale industry. And the answer is, major features of the given industries are A, cottage industries. These industries are set up by people in their own homes. People work with simple tools and most of the work is done by hands. For example, weaving clothes, extracting oil, making toys, baskets, etc. B, small scale industries. These industries employ lesser number of people and use small machines. For example, utensils, plastic goods, electric goods, garments and hosiery items are made in such industries. C, large scale industries. These industries involve large amounts of money with big machinery and employ thousands of skilled workers. For example, iron and steel industry, cotton textiles, jute mills, sugar mills, etc. Question number 3. Where are sugar mills located in India? And the answer is, sugar mills are located in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Bihar and Tamil Nadu. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why are industries important for us? Answer is, industries are very important for us as they provide us finished goods. Also, they are the symbol of progress for a country. Question number 2. Why is iron and steel industry called A, heavy industry, and B, the basic industry? Answer is, iron and steel industries are called the basic industry as they provide a base to other industries in the form of machinery. It is a heavy industry because raw materials used in manufacturing are coal, iron ore and bauxite. Third question, why are most iron and steel industries located in and around areas that have coal and iron mines? Answer is, most of iron and steel industries are located in or near areas that have coal and iron ore mines because these two resources are the raw materials for these industries. Question number 4. Why are jute mills located in and around Kolkata? Answer is, jute mills are located in and around Kolkata because climatic conditions here are suitable for jute cultivation and water supply is also sufficient from river Hooghly. Question number 5. How are industries important for the progress of a country? Answer is industries are important for the progress of a country because industries provide not only finished goods to the citizens but also provide jobs to them. Now, higher order thinking skills, hot question. To which group of industry do the following belong? Give a reason to support your answer. First, tailoring. Second, weaving saris. And third, making covers for cars. Answer is tailoring. It is a cottage industry because it needs a room, a machine, and a person to work. Second, weaving saris. It is a large scale industry because it needs big machines, money, and skilled workers. Third one is making covers for cars. It is a small scale industry because it needs some machines, money, and workers. Now, map work. On the given map of India, mark the following industries: A. Two cotton textile industries, and B. Two iron and steel industries. Answer is two cotton industries are in Kolkata and Mumbai, and two iron and steel industries are in Bokaro and Bhilai. Now we will do worksheet 2. Tick the correct answers. First is dash is used to make steel and some alloys. Options are A. Bauxite, B. Manganese, and C. Aluminium. And the correct answer is B. Manganese. Second, dash was spread by Lord Mahavira. A. Jainism, B. Buddhism, and C. Islam. And the correct answer is A. Jainism. Third, aeroplanes are made in factories owned by the dash of India. A. People, B. Government, and C. President. And the correct answer is B. Government. Now name any two places where the following industries are located. First, iron and steel, and places are Bokaro and Bhilai. Second, silk textile, places are Varanasi and Kanchipuram. Third, jute mills, places are West Bengal and Kolkata. Fourth, sugar mills, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Fifth, shipyards, Kochi and Mumbai. Sixth, automobiles, Pune and Chennai. Now, state whether true or false. First, Kabir was a great religious reformer. And the answer is false. Second, Varahamihira was a famous mathematician. And the answer is true. Third, cottage industries are set up on large scale. Answer is false. Fourth, gold is a non-metallic mineral. And the answer is false. Now match the following. First, charka will match with C. medicine. Second, cottage industry will match with D. simple tools. Third, minerals will match with B. ores. And fourth, Akbar will match with A. Agra fort. Here we have completed back exercise of this chapter along with worksheet 2. And also here we completed our 4th class SST. In next video, we will start class 8th SST. Till then, take care and thanks for watching my video.